How to resize the height of Webyx view to position it in full below the header. Swap template page to the previously created Webyx Pro FSE. This template is the same used in the free page. The only difference is in the header, which has a background color. Now go on View Design tab in the Webyx Pro block. Choose the Custom option from View Type. Choose Absolute from View Position. Set View Width to 100, Viewport Width, and the View Top Position to 80 pixels. This is the height of the header. In Mobile tab, set the same options. To correctly set the height of the Webyx view, insert the following class: Webyx Partial View and View CSS classes, and save the changes. Go to Custom CSS tab and enable it. Insert this CSS code. Save the work. Now remove the arrow's custom offset previously configured. Go to the template header and insert this custom class. Click on Styles button and in Additional CSS, insert this custom CSS code. Save the changes and view the page. The height of the Webyx view fills the part below the header. Now let's use the power of scrolling content into slides. Focus on slide 1 into the main content section. Click on Inserter 4 to add a previously created pattern. This is a long content. Select Slide 1. Enable Scrolling Content option in Slide tab. Save changes and view the page. Now, in the slide with this option enabled, it's possible to view the entire content through scrolling. Thanks for watching.